shitting out of my mouth?
Oh! Oh!
That was my friend's ID. I was like,
That's like an 80-year-old lady.
is this necessary?
It is necessary.
Can you just take the ID and let me...
I can take you to jail right now.
Да, блядь,
Что мне
кто
делать?
просил?
Что мне делать?
Никому не говорить, вот и все.
Никому не говорить?
Но у тебя рот, как будто бы ты срешь изо рта. Мне это так надоело про тебя.
I don't want to talk to you anymore.
You can't drink anywhere in the state of Florida underage?
In January 2026, officers patrolling a local beach came across two young women openly drinking near the shoreline. What initially appeared to be a routine encounter quickly took an unexpected turn when one of the women was asked to identify herself. Bodycam footage captures the interaction as officers take a closer look at the identification she provided and begin questioning whether everything is as it seems.
He's with you?
Yeah.
You guys at least 21?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Are you still in California?
Huh?
Are you still in California? Okay. And you're still in South Carolina?
Yeah.
Okay. Address information correct on your driver's license?
I used to live there for college, but I'm here now.
You're here now?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your current address? House or apartment?
A house.
Okay.
Huh?
This address is it still your address?
No, I'm in LA.
Okay. What's your current address?
Go visiting me.
Yeah.
Is the address on your driver's license still accurate? Is what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. It is.
If it's Emerald Street, then I have a different address because I moved. My current address is...
Okay. Okay. All right. Give me just a minute, okay?
Yeah.
Call 16 on tack. Alpha 33 on tack. Ocean 15.
Driver license
Yeah, I'm
not
pretty sure
valid.
she gave me a fake ID. Let's try it by name real quick. But I'm pretty sure it's not going to come back.
Okay, out of California or the South Carolina?
I'm sorry, South Carolina.
Alright, let's try the South Carolina, go ahead.
Last name Papa Echo Charlie, Uniform November Echo Sierra. First name India Sierra Alpha, Bravo Echo Lima Lima Alpha. Middle is M Mike. 210 of 01, white female.
Negative, no record found.
Aye, copy. All right, stand up for me. Stand up. Stand up. Bring your back. Do not resist me or you're going to go to the ground. Do not pull away from me. Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back or you're going to go to the ground. I don't want to hurt you. Put your hands behind
No,
your
look,
back.
I get it, but can you just explain
You've
it
provided me with a fake ID. Put your hands
My
behind,
friend's ID.
put your hands behind your
Like,
back.
it was just because.
We'll get into it in a minute.
That's what you explained.
I'm not going to tell you again. If you do not do what I tell you to do, you're going to go to the ground. You're going to catch a resisting charge. Relax your hands. Put your hands together like you're praying.
Алекс, давай фотографию. Я хочу фотографию. Фотографию сделай. Ну, как будто бы...
Нет.
Ну, как будто бы ты даже не
Это не
смотришь.
шутки.
А
Это серьезно.
фотографию?
Это не шутки.
Дай.
What else should 15 something?
Давай понимаю, фоточку.
I have one secured. on security. We're gonna go over here to my truck and we're gonna figure out who you really are, okay?
I'm sorry, what do I just sit there?
Yep, just hang tight for right now, okay? Because I still have your ID, your information. Okay, but you're not free to go yet. Okay. All right, let's start again, okay?
That was my friend's ID. I was like,
Okay, that's like an 80-year-old lady. Okay.
That's not an 80-year-old lady.
I have her picture pulled up. The driver's license number that's on that. It's a fake ID.
She's like 24.
Okay, well, your friend has a terrible fake ID. Because when I run the number, I get the real person's picture back, and it's not that. Okay? It's like a 70-something-year-old lady. So whoever made y'all's fake ID did a shitty job.
Okay.
He could have at least picked somebody young.
I don't think that was even a fake ID.
Oh, it's fake. I promise you it's fake.
Oh. I didn't know.
Well, you did know because it's not yours.
Well, I know that it wasn't mine. That's the picture, no?
That's that lady's... When I run that driver's license number, that's what comes up. Yeah.
I didn't know.
Not you.
Yeah, I didn't.
Okay, so you have now provided me with a fake ID. So, what is your last name?
Is this necessary?
It is necessary.
Can you just take the ID and let me...
I can take you to jail right now.
For what?
Well, let's see. For providing a false name,
Yeah.
for possession of a fake identification card, and alcohol on the beach.
Alcohol is not allowed?
It is not allowed on the beach. That's why I stopped out with you in the
The
first
person
place.
that lives here told me that alcohol was
They
allowed.
told you wrong. So what is your last name? What is your first name? What's your middle initial?
I don't have a middle name.
Okay. What is your date of birth? What year?
2007.
That's why you gave me a fake ID, because you're not 21. I'm not stupid. I work on the beach. I deal with this 10 times a day.
Okay,
It is not my
I
first
didn't
day.
because it's like Daytona.
What state is your ID from? Is it Florida? Or is
No,
it
it's South Carolina.
South Carolina? Hold on, 15 seconds. All right, South Carolina by name. Let's try this time. How old are you?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm 18.
Last name? First name? White female out of South Carolina.
How many further charges are there?
Well, right now, you're just at the ones that I talked to you about. So we'll see where this goes. Oh, she gave me a fake ID. What did you do that for? Yeah.
Sorry about that.
And when I run the DL number, it comes back to like a 70-year-old lady
I'm sorry.
with a picture.
I didn't know. It wasn't my fake. It was my friend's fake.
But you provided it to try to identify yourself with that.
How old are you? 18.
Can you stand by with her for a sec, Joey? Yep. Good.
Your subject came back negative Norexana out of South Carolina.
Your last name is correct?
Yeah.
Your first name is...
Exactly, I didn't do anything.
Don't listen to him.
Okay, but they're right.
That'll get you in trouble.
Yeah.
And you have an ID or a driver's license in South Carolina?
No.
What state do you have an ID in?
This state.
In Florida.
Yes.
Is there anything else you're not telling us?
Huh?
Is there anything else you're not telling us?
No.
It's just so much easier when you're truthful.
Yeah, I understand.
Do you have any warrants?
What's a warrant?
Where they want to take you to jail?
I don't know what a
You don't know what a warrant is? It's a piece of paper that says you have to go to jail by the order of the court. Okay. Well, let me skip it.
Yep. All right. I got some good news. I got some bad news. Okay. The good news is I am not going to charge you with providing me with a false name. Okay. The bad news is you have a fake ID. Okay, and it is unlawful to have a fake ID. Okay, and it's unlawful to provide a fake ID to law enforcement. Okay.
Yeah.
Certain things I have discretion on, right? Meaning I can write you a ticket, I can take you to jail, whatever. Certain things I have discretion on. Certain things I don't have discretion on.
Yeah.
Okay. The fake ID part, you're going to be taking a ride today. Okay. So you are under arrest. Okay. You want her to have your belongings? Hold on to them for you?
Yeah.
Do
Okay.
you have any shorts that you can put on?
I was just going to say, do you have some pants she can put on? Okay. I'm just going to hold on to you because you can't, if you trip and fall, you can't brace yourself.
Can you give me my shorts?
You want to bring up the COV for her?
Yeah, so you hold it.
Under 21.
Okay.
19, I believe.
Yeah, the state statute. Yeah.
Bro. Yeah, I'm sorry.
She said, bro.
I gotta touch your ass.
Yeah.
I got no top.
I'm more frustrated without tripping now.
You got a shirt? You want a t-shirt that she can just hold on? She can put it on when she gets out there. Okay, that's all right. You're good. They'll give you one.
I can just.
Where's your ID at?
All right, come over here. I'm going to have you sit in the truck for a second and we'll get the rest going.
Can I put my shoes on?
Yeah, we'll bring them with us. There you go. Watch your knee, okay?
This is my old address menu. I just.
The 1 Ocean 15 section. All right, come on and talk to her while he fixes something. All right, she wants to talk to you before we go.
What's so funny? Okay.
Ой, what is so funny with you? Что ты смеялась на улице? Я это вижу.
Потому что он заметил, что у меня пальцы на
See, this
ноге.
is no fair. I can't understand this.
Saying, what's so funny? She said, what's so funny with you? And I'm saying, the toes, whatever. So what's gonna happen is,
Whatever.
what's gonna happen is,
What?
the poo pill.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's a friendly poo.
Shit like that. So what's gonna happen is that I called Aicha, I called your mom. You're gonna be taken to jail, but you're not.
Что ты им звонила? Да, блядь,
Что мне
кто
делать?
просил?
Что мне делать?
Никому не говорите, вот и все.
Никому не говорить?
Но вот у тебя рот, как будто бы ты срешь изо рта. Мне это так надоело про тебя.
I don't want to talk to her anymore.
Pissed her off.
Я, конечно, fucking...
What's she mad about? I want to know. No secrets. Secrets don't make friends. What's she mad about?
No, she fucking told everyone. Like, bruh. Why does she feel the need to tell people?
I think she's trying to, like,
She could have just kept it between the two of us.
I think she's trying to help you out.
Okay, but she could have kept it between the two of us.
But her intentions were good. Right?
I don't even know.
All right, let's get the show on the road. Let's get you down there so you can get out, okay?
Is she gonna come?
She said she is.
She's gonna come on in the other car?
No, she's not coming in the other car. Ooh, like Uber?
Well, I don't know. I've never been arrested before.
She's going to have to drive out there and bond your
She
ass
doesn't
out.
have to drive?
Yes.
She doesn't have a car.
How'd you get here?
Uber?
I'll bond you out.
Sounds like
Don't be
she's...
mean to me.
You hear that?
She's gonna Uber?
Don't be...
Don't be mean. She'll leave her in there.
Hey, let's...
I'm paying for your bond, bro.
Yeah, and if you're mean to her, she
Are you
can...
gonna Uber?
She can kick you because she doesn't care if she messed up her foot because she's getting it fixed anyways.
No, I'm getting picked up by Aicha. And then we're gonna come to you and bond you out. So.
What do you...
You don't really have much of a choice.
I was just going to say, how are you going to tilt your head back? She's helping you out. She could make you sit in there till tomorrow.
You said about me shitting out of my mouth?
Oh! Oh!
Oh my god, that was really like
5 minutes ago.
I don't know Russian, but that's funny because I got a shit
That's
pillow
what I
right there.
said. She said I'm shitting out of my mouth. Because I was like, I told your sister.
I mean, in all fairness, she's looking at a shit pillow, so maybe that's the first thing that came to mind. All right, you ready?
Her sister's gonna pick me up.
All right, you know where you're going?
I gave her
Yeah,
the number and I gave her the number to the branch show.
My guy. All right, what did we learn today?
We learned
We are not allowed
that
to drink.
you cannot drink at the beach in Florida,
Okay.
and that, well,
Or
I
anywhere
already
in the
knew
state
this,
of Florida.
but you cannot have a fake ID.
Ah, okay.
I don't,
What's the last thing we learned?
huh?
What's the last thing we learned?
You can't drink
Get out of
anywhere in the
trouble
state
or
of
you
Florida
will pay.
underage.
All right, that works. I always try to get 3. All right.
You can't drink underage in Florida.
All right.
I believe you.
All right.
All right.
Go bond her out. Good luck with the tow.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Enjoy your time in Florida.
Thank you. If they don't kick me out of the house, then yeah.
Yeah, you didn't get in trouble.
But I feel bad. She was with me. All right. Well.
All right. Hold on a second. We're working on what we're gonna do because they're having some problems in there, and it's gonna be a while. So we're just trying to figure out what we're gonna do. Okay.
And then it'll freeze this spot up and I get my van over here.
Appreciate it. All right, we're gonna switch cars for a minute. Okay, you're gonna go in the van until they're done in there. They got some problems in there right now. They're trying to work through.
All right, I gotta ask you a couple questions. You seen the doctor in 24 hours? Have you seen the doctor in 24 hours?
No.
It's not a hard question. Do you have anything on you, on your person?
When I was in contact with her, she's basically in a G-string.
Okay.
Not really anywhere you can hide
Do
anything.
you have any other personal items with you?
Nope.
No cash, no phone, nothing?
Okay. I'm just getting away from the hot truck. I think there's so much heat. No, you're fine. I was just
I
standing
do
over
that
here.
in front of you because all of a sudden she said
Yeah.
I have $400.
Nope.
Just want your hand off your shoulders.
Okay, I'll get the cuffs off.
You want to take cuffs off? Oh, you getting out of here?
Yeah.
Fine. These guys, I don't know what your policy is in the van with the jewelry, but okay. Yeah, I didn't take it off. So.
You're not suicidal, right? Not what? You are suicidal?
What began as a routine beach patrol quickly escalated after officers discovered the identification provided by one of the women was not what it appeared to be. The encounter serves as a reminder that a single poor decision can turn an ordinary day at the beach into a criminal investigation.